Half past.
A bit shortly after 6.
I can guys. Make it right. Okay. How na mina thokonya? Uvelt. Guys, dumelang. Can I hear? Religile nako. Sorry guys, kanete. Apology.
Oh, lo hle.
Kanete apology guys. Okay ni.
Dumelang family, dumelang.
Bokeni le mangaka.
Yo, wetse la hopole ha motho a se a le thokololona. Tuta tabe manta.
O tatela be manta.
Ba hopola.
Na check ba bono simba bang. Ane ke tsamandi motivation.
Ba se ba ipheta.
Ka nnete guys dumelang he. Diamond are hello Lune.
Hi we know.
Guys dumelang he. Kenan he. Sorry guys relate today relate mare ntho le rato silikona rato le ntho silikona nqabula rona but lenyalo we are always late around ntho tsa manyalo ai manyalo ana you will ntho tsa manyalo tsona late always
It's either ho fitla the bride lady kapa
o ka te lenyalo le tsala ka 10
ya o jwetsa.
you know 12 ka be le eme ka tlasa dikoloi yes
But ba be di bele bele ditaba di nka bona.
bana nyetso wa pedi oh
So ke la ka tsa sha.
oh
Sala we.
Kanet
Yes, sala we.
o tla bona TV
Yo.
go bona straight TV yona ite kanne o kila bona batho perfect wedding sutu tsa bona tsa bontata di ba lekana ke tso di tailor wa di etsa jwalo
Ha di bala kana ba.
di sutu tsa bona di ba lekana
Oversized.
ai ba di over ba apara di oversize
Ka fela ha ba.
a ke tsimba ke bona
Wa ni ba perfect wedding.
boholo ba bona baba ka nnete
Ke tla be le Taylor ga ba ileng ho yona. Bano bono ba shebelletse.
ka ba ke discourage ke ba guys dumelang the right peak right peak season 2 guys lentse le sale bale we don't act this is sister Jakubeta
Jo whatever
Kere Jakubeta wa ne kere Jakulini kaliti guys
bona ke go hlokala tsinya.
yes papa guys this is Dr. November this is Lebo this is Mbo Bona stress
Ha ke na stress.
oh honestly okay guys le tseba ke tsile letsholo ibile re tsile letsholo looking for number 3 re bile le candidate tse kae
Ena ke abo
5 I'm sure ke 5 today who tlile young blood and
young and
beautiful
fresh.
a ke re mona o mfumane ke le ka ntle ka mambe ke re I'm soon success ke le ka utla monelo ke re ke lo dula ho a ke le ka utla re chincha committee ya kereke ha o tsine monate ma yo guys mona committee ya kereke tshwantse ke re bitse meeting
O so tla ho nna.
mokotla kereke wa tsamaya mo hae ke mpone yes guys mpone tsina monate man why sona le tins ka pa ke ntwe na tins o bole jealous be le kadile he
Tla bona ke ka ka.
he guys ka nete se ke decide le monelo a kereke for only
Sonta se bua.
le dibuka tsa kereke. Molela kereke le dibuka tsa kereke. Dia move. This one.
This side.
Guys, I want to lose nyanako. Le a tseba hore on a serious note ya on a journey ya o sheba ya o batana le mamngane. Believe me, le a tseba hore nna ke batla step guys. It's not a joke. It is not a joke. I react, it's not a show. I get it, show, I get it. But we are searching for mamngane. The same way I did ka Mamkhulu. Let's say negina the right pick. Kinte kisheba until you kopana le lebo, and then lebo ankaza rari tooth. Also, you can do that.
I can't do it. Who to handle? Who to handle?
What am I going to handle?
Oh, well, I'm doing that.
It's first day. Lebu tlile the right pick, like Jola Kautli. Same day. Abare candidate. You don't know athletics, this not Scotland. Utila tsere Scotland. A robotwaka. Ke bua net. A ne re reshoot it was on Saturday.
Okay.
And then so ne re bukela batho. Actually batho ne ba buka ba robala. And then that night lebo re na ba tlo buka next. O batla ha you robala anyway. O robala o batla robala pela ndote ya hae. And then can the same day nane ke robeletse pento nya bet. Ne I don't know what happened. I go pulling next because ne ke khathetse. Nane ke khathetse I don't know what happened. But like in a searcher, I end up Kitola Lebu. We are still together and we are happy on a serious note, guys. We don't fake reso, which in Amona la Pelina la November. So today, somebody ring Lynn Kibaka ho
No, Metia.
no Metia. Harry Linda Kibaka Mika. And I'm going to say age. How can you that age? What the age is just the number plate.
It's just the number plate.
It's
Just-
not of the age restriction.
Ebile ke nana.
It's not of age restriction. Baby girl, are you good?
I'm good.
Sepeti says cannot sing again. Basadi baba tla o tla mara ba thuthumela ka wena o sing again.
Like truly speaking, I get really like kissing guy bad.
So kutlwa ntena go tse ka
Ya
re ka.
irritator guys.
Ka re ka.
Guys,
Yo kwala monyako.
jwetsa monga tsinsi re bone a nke hlai bitse. Re bone. No.
Sho. So
Ka
kutlwa
nka ile
nteba.
lekisa o. Ka pa go senya show.
Ha ka time le o tsentse re shebana le yona. Ha sa concentrate go tsentse re.
Show.
Ya lona le khathalehle.
Ai modimo ka re ke kgalmela ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth. Amen.
Amen.
Where did you what thing as well get the courage ka laka?
Like okay, nna go boleng ha ka se dikile motho a nang le sebete.
O tla go hola. I said motho a nang le sebete. Thandi kupela nka dimento sa samolo. Kutla ke imetse. Go pomfela ka ba vaseline di mali sofa tsena tsa China.
Ke tafole.
Di tafoleng.
Aye. Thanks.
Ai puseletso. Lona le tsenya ntho tsa batho. A re jwale ha re tla me ho fa tla re mos. o fela jwalo ka ausi Lebo no
Lebo ke Lebo ngwaneso, Lebo ke Lebo. Ne se mpa re fela.
ba bangata ya ba tobetsa ka
Nka
ba bangata ba davas ka nnete ba tlile ba le silti ba khutla ba ntse ba le
Ka nnete.
ba ntse ba feletse mara hoja ba ile ba robala mo
Ha?
Ha re tsebe go ntse re le go tsa tsile ga re tsena go etsaetseng. Ala motho ka pakang.
Yo.
ka ke ntho Lebo mpho a re qale ka taba sebete o thotse ka sebete se se kana kana
Ha ke tswe ke tla ke se ka ba ke na le sona. Ever since ho leng wa ka.
sebete o go get ngwana towe
Ene ntho ke e batla ka e fumana.
Girl. Yes. Wena o bua language ya ka.
Thandi guys mohatsa mpho ke yona
Yes, yeah.
ntho e batla wa e fumana ho tsore o ka mfumana
Ha
hore
monate jwang? Ka ba ka kwala show ye ba ha sa batluwa mama.
O reng?
ema ka motho ema sebela
Ke
kwa
batla ho bona o re
ke batla ho bona hlangwana shu
Bona ha wa tna tights.
okay o ntse ba fona go kae
Yo. Ka khale ke o tseba.
okay
And I even like I once like kile ka ke re kenya hao.
okay bosabe
Thabelo.
okay
So khale ke o tseba.
o botla le keke
Eh.
o no tle kere ke ka pa no tle hona
Na ke ne ke tle kerekeng.
Oh, straight
That was
kerekeng.
long ago.
okay so and then this thing ya hore o tlo mara you can be mamncane e qadile nini
Hore nka ba mamncane. Ho wena. Ke khalo wa tseba. Just fela.
Khalo mo follow.
Haholo.
ke
But ke khale.
gale
Okay, ke khale ke batla for like I can be but I couldn't.
season
Season 1 ha e no e shebela.
Ntse ke o shebella.
O no ntso
Everyone.
Le season 2 ha e qala wa bona.
Everything.
so ke eng etse gore se ka tla season 1
Because ne ke na le mabaka.
o no na mabaka o no le busy ka pa
Yes, ne ke le busy ka something so ne ke feel for like okay, I'm not in the right space hore nka
Wa kena.
kena.
Okay. So now itse ha e qala wa e bona.
Johle.
Wa utlwa o batla but o ntse na le mabaka. O fihleletse o decide tlo tla ona.
Ke tla reng ke ne ntse ke ba doubtfully.
Ke ne tsa gore
Ke tla re ke eng? Yo like ke ne ke ipotsa for like okay, ke tlo fihla ke etsa jwang dipotso eng until be ke realize for like you know what girl, go there and then you'll get your man. That's when like no. Ya
mo
mo.
ba dipotso pele ngwane. Ka di aga ha o so di botsa.
Ha ona go nka re eng. Obviously dipotso di bolai.
Ha di bolai.
So yeah.
O ska tswa le ntho tso se kopane le tsona.
Wa utlwa?
o re jetsa re watla
Ke re ke atla.
o galo pholositswe kapa o pholositswe o tsama kereke ya kae
Okay, let me start here. Ke uletse ka ra kereke.
okay
So hona le kereke ne ya
Ke kereke?
ya apostol.
okay
So ho leng wa ka ba since ke kena kereke ya apostol since until now. Ha ke soka ke pholoso. But kerekeng ya pholoso ne ke ya like ya how ke ne ke ya.
okay okay so ndetse o na le ngwana ke utlwe ka rona le ngwana ne
I do have
ba ba kae
one.
one o mo kae
O 5 years to turn 16
o bokae wena ka ntwe wena
I'm 25 years. I'm going to turn 26.
ngwana o tle ka 5 years o na le 5 years o ka le ne ntshebeletso maspa ne ke fela tshebeletso tsa maspa
Wena
Mare,
Ke answer.
no, let me not blame you. Hey, answer.
na.
Mataka yo. Mataka. Answer.
Ke answer. Ke kopa ke se ka answer.
No, boy.
Answer.
Okay. It started when I was 17 years old.
Okay. What kind of thing
Hey.
Manana.
Which is not wrong.
Which is not wrong. It's something nice.
No, no, it's the heart. Yana bilo ilanya.
Na ke tadile ha ke nyalo.
Kana onyetsa ka selemo sefe? A o le bokae?
Ke nyetswa ke le 21.
21.
Oh, okay.
Ntho Virgin yao
Vision.
e thubetse ona mo ya ba ya sebetsa
Ba sebetsa ba sala ba.
I don't listen.
ona wena o qale ka 17 ona o qale ka 21 o thank you na qale ne
Yo, 19. That's why I
can you qetile sekolo ka 16
16 years and then ka 19 years can you break a virginity? Ka 21 I get engaged, married with a different person.
kai
21
kai
I get engaged.
Ka different.
You break the virginity and then you put up the second guy or
Okay.
bara tandi network a ke tswe ke mang
Ya ga cut. Okay.
la bantse ba le busy ka yona guys ba le busy so njetse when you are 25 years now somebody will ask this question or no why also feel like you step but unso le monyana because you are still young beautiful
Okay. I think polygamy is not about age ya how e kae.
What wa ga se?
Eh, Yamara. It's not about age.
No, go back.
Because even I get a little bit of age. Eh, swale polygamy.
Ba ke le nyalo
Go back to the Exactly. Exactly. Fela ke
Ke le nyalo jalo ka le nyalo le le re le tsebang.
le leng tjena. La mokgotsi wa ka.
So polygamy when it's not about your age. Because I agree about Baba Mbato, no, you are still young for you to commit a step. No, it's not about age.
It's not
Now,
about age.
coming to somebody, somebody again will say, Kile mpo, but how can ditakata how dikai ogaya humutomkana?
How can?
Uye umutale kananena, and then ditakata how dikai.
Or if somebody amobots.
If somebody can ask you, you know why? Because you know, Renaleva told you like on Facebook too. To see better than my pillar runa le decision to read it down. Wabana, when you fit a decision, they will come for that decision you say.
Eh hona le batho ba tlang na for decision ya ka suspect.
Le yena ba ntse bana ba mo trapper for them.
Lo hana jwale.
Ba re a ka itahlela mona mara ke tsofetse mara.
Nah.
Can't you call yo?
Lo la batho bana.
Okay. But somebody will ask, can it moti akao bota? Even Batswadi ba how couple ever, which is but mutuma akao bota are. But what about tabauru utlo itahlela o butiam le kana ka pantatam kana ka bobutam kana ka age yao?
It's still the same. When I age guy, I don't care about na batho ba re eng because every time ke yetsa nna for my own happiness sing motho bisa bona. At the end of the day, I keep it a born and I get it into for one. But why is it to boo and I'm shambat of
Ba tlo bua la ntse sa ka ena. I just went. Karabo tsa ausi di a qabola. She's so confident. Yeah.
So, but when are you, but anytime we kill one jola, the mutam will look at the age. When I'm talking one jola there.
My baby daddy. When I see 6 years.
Okay. Kiana fair.
Yeah, can I?
But away gepe ekabantim bakin sagalwe.
I'm not even aware of it, but again, I think you consider.
O just o kenetse fela wa check how like how to follow how o kwa hantsa national mo tsena.
55.
55. I don't have a problem with it.
Even you dula le batswadi ditse.
Yes.
But you know, nkila ka date le motho wa 23 years.
Okay.
Nkila ka zola le motho wa 23 years. We lamplela straight. Kinente ke hesitate akere ho yana you are still young, I cannot commit myself ka wena because akere abarona whether you commit or you don't nna ke ntse ke tlo nyalwa ke motho moholo ya lekanang le wena abanjwe tsare one day ke tlotla ke re ke nya hao that lady abanjwe tsare ke tlotla ke re ke nya hao ka thaka ya hao ka baka ya moholo nyana feta wena so what so say because I think but this batho ba lekanang le e ka re se le fihle stage in seo sa hore le data kapa le batho setlela
Nka se tlo jona le motho a leveleng yaka. Ya age yaka.
ho nyalwa
Still. Hi change. I just watching fela ho nyala mara le gato ntse
forget the stress okay. But when in intel into eating karakela hore o batla nyalwa ke motho mo
yeah. Asa ising aging yaka.
Ha ona taba dilemo but a fela a se age mate you don't know.
Yeah,
ona le batswadi ba ithu ba ntse ba phela ba dithu
the dog of the but I still have a stepfather.
okay okay ona le ntho brothers and sisters
I do have.
Ba tseba o tlile
Mo ka na wa tseba even my dad knows about it.
bona
Optoka hatsi because you told me.
okay but nana ba tlo feel jwang if ba ka tseba ho tlile
Boma.
Your siblings.
My siblings. As long as mo ka na as a problem ka na then bona
So mama ha wa tseba o mona.
yeah.
Le ha o khutla hore ntate o itse o le modikana.
Ke lona hlile a batla hore a hlatle a tlo mmona hantle. O dula mona TV mona fela yeah. So
O ba tseba go tlile ho phatana.
At all.
Ana o mo letse ditse ha fihla.
Ena ke mo letse ditse ke mo jwetsa hore
O mo letse mama ke fihlile hantle ke mo ntlo. O mo letse ditse ala ka mo.
Another question? Yeah.
Yeah. Go dinka kae ha o motho another one. Ha o rata motho wa mo rata despite the age hape go tswa fela na o khotsofala kae and rona banna o tsebe re rata mo stofo seleng ho 6 yeah so fela age is just a number.
Hai ka re ke fela ke dipotso e sa di seng hore
Ha o kana ka tlo dinka ka mo tsa next.
okay now for now o yetsa eng o ntse le sekolong kapa o yetsa
Oh, okay. I was still busy ka project Yeah, NYS.
Okay.
But I
King
studied
NYS. Okay.
Actually,
NYS again.
it's a project. Yadikolo. I was a tutor there. And I also graduated. I was doing educare.
Okay, education.
Kia bana, ruta bana, creating, and also the grade R.
Okay. Mara motho a kileng a nna a hasela ka ho rekisa ho etsa.
No, okay. Now I'm a hairdresser and a nail technician also. For
Okay.
my side hustling yak.
OE?
Nail
Okay.
technician.
Okay.
And I'm a hairdresser also.
Okay. Now, bolelle mofuto ke wa batho ba kileng wa jola le bona. Ke la jola le batho ba jwang ba nang le tjhelete ba tlase ba hodimo ba mahareng kapa ba hodimo.
Okay. Kibu.
Ee.
Motho e ke ne ke mo date, which is my baby daddy. Ha bona ba sharp, everything is sharp.
Okay. Ka matso mona. A ke re na le
no batla bua ka le lifestyle gona ke batho ba neng ba le rich medium
Medium.
kapa
Medium.
Okay. Ek feel this.
Mamkhulu ka nna bo.
yo hahle potso tse ke di botsang motlhe ka fela ke o di botsitse
Wena bona di fela ke dipotso.
o ko lwela wa ga ba haka hao
Mame, a re bana ba mo batse ba
bana ba bang
Ba utlwile ke dithaka tsa
bona di tletse papadi ngwana o hloka fika le ho hlokomelwa network ntse okay
nna qetile.
so but kutlwisiso ya hao ka sethepu ke kopa o mfe scenario gona kutlwisiso ya hao ka sethepu ke
Ke gore nna ke utlwisisang ka sethepu, or how do I feel to be part?
utlwisisa eng ka sethepu
Okay. According to Nane, sethepu ke nahana for like as di partners, ebile ke re di sister wives, ne? Ke utlwisisa taba ya hore ke tlwele taba ya hore sethepu almost every time batho ba rata go sethepu ha se rege because basadi ba etsa eng maloyana and stuff like that. So now I don't believe in that. I feel like ka ga sethepu nna le sister wife ya ka we should be like together, love each other, respect each other, be there for each other, be there for our men. So ke yona ntho ke understandang ka sethepu.
But o ka minda ke efe ntho wena o ka minda to be around you o ba pela motho wa hao. I mean, pela your sister wife spending time le yena.
Haholo, that's what I want.
gore if lo batla sister wife ha o
sister
batle
wife.
mosadi o ke reng ke lo ba mosadi wa bobedi fe go ntho eno
Ba tla phela le o batla you don't mind.
I don't mind. I don't have a problem with it.
Jwale if because better mona e kgolo ke ya China.
Okay.
If uthi ntate wa mona a sa re bana ba ka tlo re tlo robalang kaofela.
It's a threesome. I don't have a problem with it.
Sure.
go kwala so tse nthometso o etse 10 o etse countdown wena ha kwala gona o etse countdown
It's gonna be nice. Threesome. It's gonna be nice.
O kila yes.
ne ke batla o botsa
Nah, ha ke soka ke etsa. But if you hloka la re etsa re ka nna ra tima di camera ra fitla ra potela
ba
ka
as soon as possible
soon.
ba as soon as
Now I'm thinking man.
yo
Klaar.
hey sure ha ke re ke botsang
Wa groove.
But got a special occasion.
Okay. Okay.
ho nwa
I do drink, but not every day.
occasionally le teng
Yeah.
okay
Potsa nna qetile. ba re o tla etsa le ke re Frida gana
Yo, hle. Hey, yeah, I will. I will.
wa ja fuwa ka le ke re Frida
I can even dance. Re ba let.
tsaka
Yo, hyperactive. My baby. My baby.
I can make you monna gona I am a pili.
Yena ga motse ge Frida.
Monna go.
I will know where that's no I
Monna gona e. Bona sa ke.
Pita se grota pa sonore
Ke go monna gona e. O tla tla ka mogao na basadi ba hae. Mare final. Sentse ile final. Nna ke go mpo kwalwe o ska nna batlana le bo mamna. Ke teng ka randao. Kanete.
Sajot.
I want to know
Music please.
where is
Help me out.
Click your mic. Talk to him. Click your mic.
Asa monna ka tsa.
Hi guys. Come on. I think you good sir.
Itinya hantle se ska kinya hantle.
Jega.
Ubitsa mlodi ubitsa.
Izwa imithandazo ya.
Udiya
Olo ha wala mhlani. Ke so ko mastery.
Unetse ku.
Wala ke Frida. Hai ke kene pe.
La la la.
Isililo. Isililo. Let's go.
Wabila.
Ai ka dira sa monna ka hore ke hlile ka kwana kitchen.
Yes. Ka go thusa wena sister wife. Sa go sokola mo.
mlodi.
Eh what?
Yes. Izwa imithandazo ya. Ena ga le ka Frida gane.
I like it. What would talk amon?
Wabotha baby. Wabotha skat. Wabotha.
Hi wena.
Ho bonile ke Frida. High five again.
For that next.
Now.
And for
Ho ba
Friday.
Mamrut.
Hle.
O ka ema.
Eh.
O ka ema ba
Mama
Mamrut.
ba go le bomme ba kereke o ba tsoro ba in whatever ka bua.
Ke buele.
Ke tse hona tsena ke kgodi ya bomme jo batla go bua le bomme.
Just how re maro bua fela.
Like no.
Eh.
Ke bue hore
let's say mohlomong ke bomme ba dutse mane
bomme o le mma
le bona o le mamoruti o tlo bua le bona fela not to preach
yo hale e nngwe
it's part of the family la bo mamoruti it's part of the family ya ke re
mara le ke re fe ga ke ke papa se chinchile se de ke
re bua ka package e tlang le ho ba the second wife
package eno
Eh.
ha ke rate eno
Efe?
ke
o tla
rate
bona
eno
le ntate o tla bonyetswe ke ntate moruti
all right okay
so now you have to be mme mamoruti
a ka se dulelele ke freedaga gape o na le kereke neng tlo tshwanela o bue le bomme not to rera just mohlomong o tlo ba jwetsa gore le ya kopana kapa batle kapa ba etseng
yo
ko tshepile hampe nna ska ba
ke
pretsa
se ke itlontlolane o se ma yo
ska ba ha o tlo go etsa le batho bana
ho eno ka re tlametse ke etse bo ma
o tla go batla go kwana nna go batla go kwala jalo ka o itse re kwale le ke frida jalo ka o itse re kwale the right pick o itse re kwala ke re mamngano teng ha re kwale ka wena ha re kwale he mrato
ka ba ke tlo reng ho bomme batho
go pa re kwale
ke tla o re
kapa ba jwetse gore bomme ba tle ha ntate a ba bitsa sort of ntho e jwang
bomme tlonhle
mpho
ba monna ka ba lebitla
gore
no monna ka lebitla
ka o ena ka tsela ya okay ka kereke a ke go ka kerekeng mo neke o no go bone bomme ha ba dressa ne
address ema ka pela bona
o hleng bomme
ma mrato
a tla le gatla ka tsa eno e tla nhlola
maru mamruti
mara a ke re ke tlo tlameha hore ke practice ha
practice tlareng hanyane fela hanyane fela
a monna ka hle
a monna ka hle
jo hle
o no tso shebella ntho ke go no tso shebella
ya
bone ntse ba ema
yes bua le bomme
ke re ba itse ba tla kereke
o ka ba jotsa go batla ke
ye nngwe le nngwe ba jwetse ka monna wa gago
okay ke bue ntho e nngwe le nngwe
ye nngwe le
e
nngwe
nngwe le nngwe
e nngwe le nngwe
ka hlong ya hao
okay
but bear in mind go mema moruti
ke be mema moruti no
ye nngwe le nngwe mamruti ya hole ke yona mara o re
le nna ga ke tlo rega
bua le bona
okay ke dumedise intro jalo okay ke a dumedisa ba bohle ka lebitso la tate la mora ke tlo rata hore le te kerekeng le tsamaye kereke hantle le mamele monna ka ha bua batho mamela monna ka ha bua ntsha mpoleke mme
la ka kwala o thomone lona
tsamehela monna ka batla
Nelona.
ga ba di 20 rand batho
yo
ke di batho
yo
go tletsang ka 20 rand go tletsang ka 20 rand batho amen
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 finish
amen
I've made it
amen ja
yo
ai
20 rand
ha o sempolo ba mamu
le go feel like thandi le ba mo 20 rand
a di ba di 20 rand tseo so nda se
ha
ha ke di batle ma go le bentse di mana tsa di nyana tseo ha re di batle
10 ranta
10 ranta tsena monna ka deserve 10 ranta le 20
e
ranta
sena re ga hakana
hle
e sena re ga hakana
sure
a fodisa batho
a fodisa
a pholosa batho
Hi guys, I'm monate. E ka re ke na. Mona ka re ka tile mololo feta mampo.
20 ranta tseo ha re di batle tata sontaga le my husband yo
Hi. Poggia un rata sfappa. Buon. Poggia un rata.
wa di batla tsa khaleo ya hawe we dine re di batle
Poggia le potso e ke na. Ke nye ka o etsa gore o cheat.
ke nkanyetsa mo ke cheat I don't think nka cheat
O bane? Because batho ba cheat.
nka se cheat
O bane?
why ke no cheat because I feel like whenever if motho ka hona le something e longre wa yetsa ne e tlo ndidela go ke keteletse ke cheat go rather sit down with him talk about it ska smela fela hle
wa blushes ka bo go opela dia
Okay. Hi, poggia un rata. O motho a tswang he. Motho ya na le pilenyane, motho ya ngalang, o motho ya qeka, motho ya sa qekeng.
okay I'm short temper but then I know how to control my anger and yeah ka khona ho qeka ke a qeka ha motho ke mo rata ke a mo qeka
Ke nena nqeke ke kwatile.
ke qeka
Ke kwatile.
how baby o kwatile okay babe why are you so angry at me why are you so angry at me hi baby really why what did I do
Ke batle next ke kwatile.
nah baby are you for real are you real
Ke kwatile. Why o etsa jwalo wena? Why o etsa jwalo?
baby look at me
Ke ne.
I'm sorry
Kgona le.
I am sorry
Ke kwatile.
please
manaka
Just
wena
small.
o one crazy one crazy
I belong here
you belong here one crazy o no bile ke bone ka ha o tletsa ke re ke ga nka o hula
o ntlise
ke bone ka nka o hula
step by step
ne ke bone ka o tlo kgutla hona moo ke re jo sampa kgutla moo
ha ke sebetse jwalo
Mare ke le jetse guys. I think this thing into alinyona. Ke mang? Mpho. Nna ke jetse le motho 23 years. Ne. O le 2000 ne? Ma 2000 atla ka storm. Ma 2K atla ka storm. And most of them ke bona ba tlo yang for polygamy. Both ba khali ba ntse ba hana step mara ba ntse ba sephela because both ba khali ba ka ra step most ya batho ba ka ra step mare nna ke ba ne le 2K la ka le njetse straight la ra nna ke tlo ya for a re ke tlo nyala ke motho mo ena njwetsa rona a re khathale dilemo o ntse ba the same thing and the understanding ya ma 2K it's far different ya fapana
go feta batho bana ba
le batho ba baholo e kare lona le fitlhile stageng sa o bona reality ya bophelo or there is reality which we ends into because basadi ba bangata le today ba ntse ba hana hore cheating is there basadi ba bangata ba hana hore cheating is there basadi ba and it's there mara basadi ba hana hore cheating is there the other thing, I was saying to Dr. Mugati, Kere, you know why basadi ba feba no? Basadi ba feba ka rate o dimo haholo to an extent. E ka re motho ka ba rekela diloto tsa o notlele dikuku tsa bona ba o founela ha ya toilet ha le o wena o jobeke ha ya toilet o tla o founela. Now, you know, and you know why basadi ba bangata ba feba. Ke le jwetse why? It is because number one, they are so naive or cheating is there. Two, bahana udimana it I'm sure out of 10 men, it's only 2 men ba kgonang ho focus on studying I want. Keep it.
Yeah, na ke utlwi.
But ba 10, it's only 1 or 2 men kgonang ho focus on basading
Ba bona.
ba bona. Mara most ya basadi, most ya banna bana le di side chick. And ke tla ke re ba bang banna, it is not like ibile ke di febe. No. O tlo ba bona ka gore these people ha se di febe. O tlo thola gore monna o tla bana le mosadi wa hae. Aba ba le side chick a one side chick. Hona le di febe tsa banna. Tse tla thola gore all
That's
over.
it.
Mara I'm telling you, hona le batho ke ba tsebang. O ba tla thola gore ona le mosadi wa hae. A qetela ba ba le only side chick. If a le siko ka tlung
O sa
o
cheap.
side
Side
chick,
chickie.
yeah.
Okay.
Now, the reason why bona monna yona na le side chick, it is because the nature ya monna ha e dumele hore monna a ka ba le a one woman. Why? Because la re tatabeng ya sex, most of the time batho ba kgathalang ke taba sex ke lona. Batho ba feel gore le kgathala ke taba sex. Maruna, that is why monna ka batla ho have sex le lona ntse di diphiroto. Ntse di diphiroto. Number 2, banna ba ka batla have sex every day. Wa bona? Now, ba ntho e tseng gore basadi ba be angry ba be bitter ba ba qeteletse ba fela. Number 1 ke hore agree you tlo thola gore mosadi wa ka, you are naive, you don't want to accept it about cheating is there. Now you don't want to believe hore le nna as your husband I can have a side chick. Now ntho e tsalang gore ha mohla o nkgabelletsang o tsebang gore ke a jola o ba angry o ba bitter le wena o pay revenge ka o jola. That is why basadi ba bangata ba jola, because they are trying to pay a revenge. Yeah, or no, because monna ka wa jola le nna tle ke mo jole. That's when basadi ba qetang ba end up am jola ba se ba kena tabeng ya bofebe, because they want to pay a revenge.
prove a point gore le nna ke
Ba
a
batla to prove a point. And the reality is la ba ka ba reng banna, because ba prove a point ka batho ka banna ba batho ka pa ka di ntse ho ntse o jole ntse le mo jole. The same thing I ring yena ha ba tlo bona etsa ba why yes, so dintho tsena di teng, but nna a qeta ho thola mamngana ke tlo bua ka step full time, ke tlo ruta ka step full time, because most ya di divorce di tliswa ka baka la hore batho ba naive, people they don't want to accept it about monna ka mosadi a iwana ba gone le ba root, even pastors ba ema the pulpiting ba fika ba rere dintho di message tse golo, no, have as a man you need to love your wife in how qetile the same pastor le yena wa jola o na le dinyatsi ke tseba ka nna le nna ne ke jola pap
O ka thabela go be le wa borago ga o
Mosadi wa
so ke le
boraro?
wa bobedi.
Che magatlere ke bona ebile re felletse a re le babedi. Ha re le babedi re le kantle.
Ha re le babedi re lekane.
Tla mo kgona hle. Ha re le
Kane ba borago tlo go duba o go ho hang o tse wa borago a ka phubua ko wena ha ka tla go wa borago je ke batla o hlo mo jwetse gore ha o mo batle.
a che re
Ne le potso neng ke e botsa fela mara ka ga bo ke go petle mo.
ka ba ithu.
le ba reng ke dikgolo tse pedi tse tharo ke bone phone e tuka malaka
Ge nke di kwa efe
re tla eng ka mo e ka yona
ka efe
073
006 hana ke bokae
061
503 4617 e bitse hape Daddy.
e bitse hle abi ba o itsebe
061 503 4617 re nka di-call please call us le re jwetse he hore na le bone jwang ke kopa le re letsetse le botse le hle le mo botse mamngane o mo madutsing teng le fumane monyetla please call us le ka di-voice note le di-voice note ke a di nka ke tla di bapadisa hle please ba o botse ba o hlabe dipotso le re jwetsa le hore na le maikutlo a lona but na ko aka ke mo phikile 061 yo ke o kena ke tletse man loudspeaker what kapa ke ko fe okay hello Khola
hello guys
Petang kae
intense
yaba ke kopa hore o etse o time background ya hao mo ke a ikutlwa
o te mona plaga mo
hello
hello guys
Petang kae ntate ntate Pastor November kae
re teng le kae
pastor
yes abutwaka
yo ai khona pastor November nka go tla nkela mosadi a ksheba tshena ai kho
a re ka re ke tla
o tla nkela mosadi
okay
mosadi lona o follower 24/7
mosadi ufi
mosadi wona ke go betseng pela ai wona pastor November
wa re ka re ke tla mo nkela mosadi
ai khona nkare e tla ba wa boraro ke sheba
mama mosadi wa hae
o follower 24/7
wow
ke leboa ka di-teaching tsa hao di ntle ntate wa ka ke a di leboa ka nnete le nna di a nsebelletsa
thank you so much abutwaka thank you so much thank you tatwaka thank you yo askis allo re teng le kae kgaitsedi yaka
Period.
Vete jwa o tlo
ba monna
o fona lo kae wow thank you so much thank you thank you so much yeah hello teng le kae
bona happy
le mothetse match o kile ba moruti ha bana hore batho ba se ba tlele o tla ka di 20 ranta monneng wae o fona lo kae thank you so much Puse hi no hello hi Mateli good my baby how are you oh something Ultra City oh okay ke le o tlile ha ba mela monna e for di 10 ranta sharp my skirt sharp my baby Yo. Hello? Hello? Tu vas take radio. Hello? 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 Show it at the mar. Yo, but WhatsApp jwale ha di khone di call di kana di lengata. Di kana di lengata. We love you guys. All
attention to you.
Oh wow. Okay, let me take a call. Okay, Botswana. Hello? Hello? You're not calling Botswana, guys. Hello? Oh, Mara. Hello? Tumela? Hello?
Okay.
Reten le kae? Hello, go, Bunny. Hello, go, Bunny.
Kita mo akala magapo.
Well, thank you. Ufuna lo guy. Oh, thank you so much, Miska. Thank you so much. Yeah. You ask this. Hello? Hello? Yes, man. Okay. Okay. Remametse. Okay. Wow. 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 Wow, thank you so much. I'm sorry. Ufuna le Botswana ne? Okay, thank you so much. Le organize re batla o tla Botswana, please guys. Le etse group ya batho ba 10 re batla o tla Botswana. Okay, o romele WhatsApp to the same number here. Thank you. Guys, re nga o petela ne ba bedi ba o petela. Hello?
Hello, Pastor.
Hey, umani mamruti wa haba pali yo. I go put away tell from Monday 10 rand, the 20 rand taka net. Au hawil. Hello? Abuti. Sabu abuti ujwa. Apa ma. Ndate nna ke kena stepong bo ntate le gawaneng le nna. No, thank you so. Ufona no guy. Upela mosadi wa hao. E ke re upela mohatsa ha hona jwang. Are go tso jwalo. No, thank you, Buti, thank you. Thank you, Tati. Hello? Oh, guys, the phone.
Di kena di le ngata.
Di call.
Yo!
Dumelang. Auslebo. Bona mpho. Ke yena hle mo fenchance hle baratuwa.
Please.
Fenchance ko tlisetsa lethabo. Ke rata the spirit sa hae. O na le confidence. And o santshana le nyenyane. Ha no le stress. O tlo lena ntho tse ngata ho tswa ho wena Auslebo. Kwala show eo ke a le rata baratuwa.
But ge kwale.
Masivale.
Ha ra kwale.
Sivale.
Ka
Na
kwa.
nomoro e nngwe a ke tsebe ke aka ke a Botswana.
Hello, Lebu and Pastor November. Bitch, Mpho is the right pick, the right. Okatswale monyane, but Lebu, you've got the best mama. Connie from Botswana.
Batho ba Botswana.
Batho
Ba
ba
o
Botswana.
votetse.
Batho ba Botswana ba votela. Ah, yeah, ba votela. Good evening, Fundis one. Okay. Okay.
Una le call ka ba.
Hi, Pastor. I was Lebu mo. I get shocked. I was, already as a friend, but not as a man.
Yo.
Friend. For what?
Yes, confidence in them more. But I don't see where I can measure it. I can say, yeah, all the best. Next cabinet, I'll sleep.
Nah.
Sharp.
What kaban?
Yeah, guys. Upatile botsa Mpho.
Imam ngano wa.
Ha o nkile dipelo tsa batho ka
Ketile
stomo.
ha a ke ketile ka nnete potsa ka ke o ketela ene le ha ke re a eme mo Sintho mme mama go titse ha ka nnete di 20 rand di 10 rand di batle le ha ke qeta
Le monna rona ba fenta o. Swapa nkentse mosebetsi o
ka
magane.
nnete se ba utlwile bona ka nnete go sonda se tlang ga ba tle 10 rand
Kana nna go sa qetela. Potsa o qetela ke ena. Ngwana o dula le mang?
Heso. But then o ya ha bona ka di weekends.
Okay. So wena kae? Ona le batho ba reng ha batla ha ba ya lenyalong ba ya le bana ba bona ba bang ba iplela hore o ya pele a le one a lo builder okay ke upa ke call.
Okay.
Hello?
Papa,
Yes family.
Nakedi, Okiena.
Thambile.
Linka Tuma Ulankala, Tonko,
ka ha sa utlwa sa le juma e fiti
Hey. Moholo.
Msholozi. Moholo.
Whenever I think so, they will talk as long as you guys are happy.
O fona le kae? O fona le kae? Okay. Wow. Thank you so much. Hello? Hello?
What?
Hello? Ntate? Kgotsong. Ke phetsa buti wa ka man.
khona yena wa 25 ntate. Upasi.
Amen.
O pasitse. This is network ya hao what's.
Ke ne sokolisa.
Hape ke mmamkhulu ke mmamna la tla tshware nagana se ke le mmamkhulu wa.
Kapo ke le mamngane wa 38.
Hello guys. Pastor November and Auslebo. Today mamngane kene. Request the show today.
Hi kwetse.
Mamngane a gona kwa ya nteng hata ho tsena ka ko beteng ya China ka.
Please.
Na gona kwa ya nteng. Apostle Nandi from Botswana. I love you guys.
From Botswana again. Apostle, please guys, re batla group ya Botswana, re batla group ya batho. Ke kopa ke WhatsApp ke.
Ke le ntse sa record magontso a gaba.
Aje. O ke lebetse uri please baby mpo di check hle wa bona. Ke yena wa bona. Yep. Le yena ke ya Botswana eh. O di check tsa Botswana. So ke na le potso ke ne ke o botsa gore wena o wela kae batho ba bang ba feel gore before ba ya ba bang ba batla le bana ba bona manyalong ba bang ba re no now let me give my marriage a chance before and then ngwana o tla tla ka mora wena wela kae.
Okay. Now I think I should just give my marriage a chance. Then ngwana o tla tla ka morao.
Ha bo mpholona. Lona le maka lona o tshentse o tsantse re lo sheba home affairs o le modi kae wena.
Please.
Ngapha.
Bompho tsofetse ka.
Bompho ba tsofetse. Why do you think like that? Because most of the time batho ba bangata they don't believe on that. Ba believe hore ha ba ya manyalo ba nyolo le dipotsenyana tsa bona.
Ya ngwana hae ho amo.
Batho ba bang.
Eh, ke kopa ke nke call. Hello?
Hello.
Nalo khaitse yaka. Tende kai.
Ai, kere ke rata vibe ke bonang ka lapeng leo. Okay, na le nna ke mo pasisa. Okay na. Umba wa ta fela guidance nyana mo le mo because a le mnyane mara yena ke yena.
Wow. O fona lo kai.
Itube.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, o rata ho lo wena bo.
Ka lebo I love you more, I love you back.
Okay, ladi.
Ka lebo. Ba re lebo tla go disa mpho. Ba re lebo tla go disa mpho kae kahle. Nna ke re viva mpho. Lebo tla go disa mpho. Ke tla o tshwara seatla wena mo.
Go pele pele.
Hello?
Hello, guys.
Tele kai.
Na ke re combination e ke yona straight.
Ka monate.
Ampona. A wena o loya. O putile ngakeng ya bo Thabantsho. A wena o loya. O fona le kai.
Ke tryando ka mo Limpopo ka.
Yo. Mpho.
Ke ra engwe kore ke mamogolo le mamngane. Tamile mamngane e make sense hore AG e go fasinyana. E make sense hana mamogolo le mamngane ba le kana ka.
Mpho e mo.
So, ene mpona bua nteno, ono e bua ne? Ono re?
Ke bua ke ra ha le mamkhulu tlametse wa mkhulu le ka age. Ha le mamngane o mamngane le ka age. Young blood mamngane o.
Very nice.
Yo, I thank you so much, Osaka. Thank you so much. Mpo, why do you think wena? Why unahana wena? Why unahana jalo wena tshwantse fele nyalo now? Chance. Maybe you not concentrate too much into. Not unless or bala le ro.
Ska sa monna ka jwalo.
But I'm coming back home December, preparing for my marriage, and we need to meet up Lelona, please. Okay, Kikoni. Yeah, no, Botswana. Okay.
Ke kopa o phete potso.
Ke ne ke ha se ke lapile hore. Yo. Ntho ebile malaka lampe. Ke ne ke re ntho. O tseba be?
Ke a tseba phe.
E se mai.
E se mai.
Wena ka re good ka mai.
Ke tseba phe ya nama everything. Potso ya hao e
And
ne e re.
agree ntate mona rata mdavaso.
And how it's mtavazo tlametse bo jile o bane le energy.
Hape ke rata ho botsa potso mona hore o motho a botswa ka mdavaso kapa
I'm not. Ke itse ha re kwale mona ha no potela ha o kgutla se bina thula
le bona ha batho jwalo bona ba ke gona ba bina thududu bona ba
ha ikeneletse hantle o tla ba saki o sa bina ha sa hama ka panetse molodi kapa go bona fela mamkhulana bona ntso pa diatla ke ntse sekolo science
Okay. Now ke ne ke o botsa hore why wena you don't mind to leave your child
yes
home and focus your marriage and to build your marriage before you can lata your ngwana.
why do I think
Why wena o nahana jwalo?
yeah I think I should just like come and then give my marriage a chance then ngwana o tla hatla
Why wena o feel jwalo because basadi ba bangata ba feel hore it's wrong ebile ba bang bana ba attack lebo ba re lebo o neglectile bana ba hae just because ntho monna le bona ba tla bana.
okay
Then family ya lebo ke a dula le lebo fatso lebo please fa ntate bana ba hae then bana ba tla ne na hona le batho ba ile ba attack lebo mona ba re lebo o domo ha o ke lebo a sia musa una
aibo
asia
Bana le monna.
for monna ebile o desperate maybe ke desperation so wena
but they didn't understand how and talking it was way before
way
ke kopana le
before
ntate
okay
we yentse before kopana le nna because ke kopana
way before
not because I yentse ka baka
because of when okay
so why le wena o feel hore you ka se mind to see ngwana hao o tlo build lenyalo la hao
because I ha ke bone hona le bothata if ke msia behind and then ke fa lenyalo la ka chance ha se bothata why okay
why is it hard for especially on your side
okay tlo ke boetse na he why kere I should just leave my son behind and then give lenyalo la ka chance is because there are certain things tse longre di a etsahala like ha ke batle qetellong ke tla ka ngwana lenyalong and then tatwa hae ka bali the way ka pa family ya bon tatwa baba the way for why sa tlisa ngwana rona o ya ka ena lenyalo ke batle e qetelletse ke ne e tlo destroy lenyalo la ka nna because of that but if wena o sina problem ya for like okay you should just come le ngwana tlametse ke tse di arrangement le batho ba habo seng kinkele molao matso
maybe na botsa lebo na qetile
kampotse
wena re botse
nna ke botse lona ne ke re fela mpo a gabe
Tani re botse ro fa chance hello
okay
Hello, Novi, how are you?
I'm good stand and you
Good, good. You're speaking to Litumza.
Litumza where
I'm Pretoria. I'm in Pretoria now.
oh wow okay Tumza
Yeah. Hey, doctor. I'm worried about the maturity level. Common. I don't think she's going to cope. And secondly, spiritually,
negative
I'm not sure if she's going to cope as well. I'm also worried about it. Ke bana ka re le batla go pitsa fela le botlhogo fa man.
rena re batla etsang
Lo pisa le go tlhogo fana man.
Okay.
Man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the Mpo, she's still young. I think she still needs to do some other things that a teenager has to do. She's still very young. Let her do the baby steps until she reach where she will be one day. But for now,
Okay. No, thank you so much to me.
Okay.
Thank you so much to me. Thank you. Ultimately, now I'm a radio presenter also. My kuta moto, my kuta moto. I grew when read about my phone.
Okay.
We are everybody on a little opinion. It's a high on a lay. So can I make it again?
No, I'm not looking to
Oh, rebote.
anything.
Anything. Personal issues in offer. Personal questions. Tell a friend.
Kibutsa wena. Wena, do you mind like hore nka ba mamngane? Ha re tleleta ba ya batho. Ke bua ka nna le wena nne.
Sure, Maruela, Poteo. Uno say you my put.
Ke yona eno e
Once when I said, when I had to do my
No, I cannot.
why when I said, do
No, I
my
cannot.
what's
I
that?
never expect this question. Put everything.
Do you mind hore nka ba mamngane na? Ene ke kopa ong araba o nshwe mahlong ong arabe. Na ke emetse fela o qete o tshela. Ebe wa ntsheba.
Oh my God. Okay.
Ile go rata go tse di brele. Okay.
Okay. I'm going to be honest now. Honest serious note now. O matile ka pelo ya ka flat.
Okay.
Why you smile?
Ke ntwe thabisang.
Okay. The only thing I can cross in my mind. That is an You know why? Because you know sometimes the challenge here basadi ba a young woman. Le na like you return to you sometimes. Like you return about you don't sometimes re choose the partner re soka re itse ba hore re tlo ba eng in future ka in the future in future ne ona le batho ba choose the partner motho soka tseba hore re tlo ba eng in future na bothola hore ka tsatsi le leng mohlang a kgona go identify hore ke man ma realize hore mara this person is choosing she or is not the person in a matla because of the level of no. So it's as much because the Dr. Nali kept into what did you guys Williams when you think 3 woman the last time they came to a very Dr. Nali but yes, because we all know this is not the right person in a matter. You choose it ka Libizan, choose I can think I do. Do you make sense? Choose o soka o identify o itse ba hore to ba mang. Then ha ne go botsa hore o ntse etsa eng, most of the time e etsahala ha batho ba na le di-career tse ba di pursuang.
Okay.
Most of the time, because o tlo thola hore ho na le this career yo e pursuang, then mohlang o fihle a had an ex, ke ne ke na le ex e nngwe o na etsa law, ke ne o na le 28 years, ne ke le skeptical o monka because ne ke mo jwetsa ke re, my biggest fear ke hore what if mohlang o qetileng jwalo so sebetsa o so kopana le di-lawyer tse ding le di-advocate tse ding kona o tlo mponang gore I'm not your type. So ke yona fela. But on a serious note, for me to have you, it won't be, it can't be problem in next. O motle, o pakile, o le Pakistan, o bua haholo, o friendly.
Oh, but Tata, you think
No, not so. I'm not saying I cannot negotiate fela the fears, which is kibile le tsona ka lebo. O ka mmotsa. Kibile le yena ke ne ke na le mo botsa. Mo hlalosetse.
No bua nnete bile le tsona
tsa eng?
tsa age.
Okay, mom.
Ne ke na le o esena she's 32. Ne ke na le di fears tsa modimo. Hape o tla be le njolla ka mo.
O ka mantswe a mang o batla hore because of age we still like we still gonna have fun.
Ha re so na le chance tsa ho cheat because
Advantage
tsa
ya
renka
ho cheat yona e ngata.
Okay. Fela
Mariano ke le ka ina hana ho lo fihlela ke tholla tharollo.
tharollo ya eng? Ya tsukutla.
It's good like
Tharollo e efe?
ya hore ke tshabe hore ke commit ka lona because it was frustrating me. A bohloko. Ne ke ba le stress le ka le buke hore ke re young woman they can cheat you ka ho sanba ka ho febela ba itse. But ke a ngopotsa. Motho ne ke monyetsi second wife ya ka she was 32. I mean 42, 43. I was talking a little period in July. July of the horse, of the and why? Because she was behaving like a mama mates, but once about you are young in Lilebo. I can check out the behavior Lilebo, the way they were behaving. The behavior my ex second wife.
Okay.
My ex second wife. Lebu is 32. My ex second wife was 42. But I'm telling you, there's a difference. But if I get to the fapane, you are treating this relationship as a marriage. Never treat this relationship yakane. You gotta kill him. Marry ex second wife yaka, ex second wife yaka. Unabile are abantu bacimba indimncinci. Abantu bathi ndimncinci unayisedwa ke intono because unikar umunyana umushibili she looked young. So na hlontswa ke ntweni and ntweni ya etsa hore the inbox o tsane di le busy o seo a jola a etsa eng a jola. That is the reason it's hore qeteletse se re lwane ra ba ra qeteletse re divorce wa bom. So the reality of the truth who difficult to say ho nyala motho a monyane ho risky because hey una le diturbetse tsa difebe tsa gale ka di 40 le ka di 50 years ke di pair of the horses of the group
Ke bo Caster Semenya.
ba tsoga di marathon.
ke bo casta so na serious no ntwe ya nto ya age you are not frustrated because noticeable ona le bo osi today ba ileng difebe ene ba ba hole ka di age tse go bo 45 ke difebe tse hlotseng. So it's difficult to predict bophelo. So honestly not na I am frustrated about age because can it le bon khono ba febe matsatsing botsa potso.
Kulwana, do you have a problem?
Deep breath.
20%.
Ke sharp.
Yeah. 20%.
Ke sharp. I got no problem, to be honest.
Okay.
Hey. as long motho a hodile ka kelellong maturity ho nna ke yona ntho e metharang ho feta age because le ka age ya 25 o ka fumana hore
wa bona leo
kelello ya hao e
sheba
kgolo ho feta.
bona message tse di ya khutla wa ba ba reng
ba tlohelle
Ao
ba
selemo.
ba tlohelle ka tlohelle ka Facebook tlohelle ka
ba
Facebook
re wa bona o sa le right
ba re
ba re so le bohloko
ka so tlohelle batho ba because ha ke mona nna ke mametse ha o ntse wa gaba and I had to ke be ke le sina attentively so batho bana na re tlo dula re tsheile go ba fela just
Okay.
so nna kelello e metsa go feta dilemo because ba ka nna
pheta
kelello e metsa go feta dilemo because ke tseba ka nna
Okay.
baby kwa hela hle
ke shebile ka kwana ke kwaeleng go batla go bontsha batho le gona ntho hlaileng ka ba sa bona ona tele bona so I don't have a problem
Okay.
with having you as mom now. I don't have a problem
That comes from the bottom of your heart.
from the bottom of my
I
heart.
can see it. And I can feel it.
I'm one person e leng hore ha ne ke choose ntate jolo ka hanga tshwa rona na di fears okay kore as much in le ntho e nkupisang bohloko ha re hana dula a bua ka di fears tsa hae but I stood ke mo bontsha ke re le motho a nantsa le moholo ha ne ba o no choose motho a moholo o na tla o cheat
Exactly. That's
so
what
I'm here because ke a tseba ke batla eng I know what I want and cheating e hole ha holo le ntho e ke batlang ha e teng ka hara dintho tsohle tse ke di batlang ka hara this relationship ebile ha se ntho ke nana hore kae kae hona le nako e tlo kena ha yo packaging ho ha
Thank you. Can you tell like get put?
botsa
I can read into
e nngwe le nngwe
oh ya bohlokwa e ka pele ne ha ke re ha ke na problem le wena le Asia because I ke go no botsa gore na rena le re ka ba le problem ho choose again
Yeah.
respect one qala ka ho tlhompha before we fetisetsa ho rona okay nna ya bohlokwa ke respect o re hlomphe o tlhomphe yes
botsa
Can I not feel
da no botsa mo
no ra botsa
ke na hanong yena
wa ba botsa hore
it?
wa ba botsa personally very anything ne
le ba ona go a botsa ba se ke bu ke tseba ka fa se sotho mo lotho ha o lebetse go kelello we fast forward
I check on it again and feel it.
e go pole because I think it's important no batla go botsa le ba re anything I can say anything le personal
no rona ka net we don't mind to ka re botsa potso tse personal because we don't fake ke fake
a bile ntho tsa bona
no rona
ai
we don't fake
a le se a bona e ma
Ke the betse ka nete.
so ska nana ha o botsa ntho e tlo go offenda se ba tseba tsengata haholo a botsa e hlile ke bua nnete
Fela mara ke le betse le nnete ka nete.
oh
ba re mpho you are still young ha o tsebe pheni ya lenyalo
Ke tla utlwa ha ke se
girl high five ha ba hona le pain lenyalong ka
ke tla utlwa. Wa ba tlemetse o nkoqela.
e ntse tsolela motshola
what if I ba what if le ha na pain
Wa utlwa.
ba bua ka pain a itse lenyalo le tsela le pain
guys thank you so much no ka nnete it
was nice having Mpho here
Nice.
very nice
ka nnete to have mpho ka nnete but one sena se no tiko ratile ne
Thank you.
aholo but ntho ya dilemo yona it's frustrating guys it's frustrating but the reality of the truth ya matter but it's frustrating because ka nnete hleng ho na le batho ba rona re dibua o se ke monyetseng I thought and the worst part ona le bana ba itu ene ke monyetse I thought she's matured I thought in yo ay ndalilemo so kaneti but kaneti thank you so much guys and then aku karabele muthu ena re pastor is touching ka nona na re muthu ana re November o rata o tshwara basadi because it's a beach ana le comment
nna la tshwa
ile ngaro a re ke rata o tshwara basadi
ha ba fokofe bano ke mang ba ba kena mo go ba ka fokofa ba kenetseng live nya bona
ya Friday oh ya Friday oh hlotse ntho batla o itse
nna mpene ditengwe
but on a serious note na guys number 1 le batho ba ke a tshwara ke tashi nna ke jwalo le tlepeana kan
Chakata ke batla maipeantle because now I'm fine with it.
wena
Because ke motho wa ka. O etsa ka pela ka. It's not like o etsa maipati. Okay.
so bana batla tsa
Even like something you buang ka yona every day gore as a man.
guys thank you so much repetile mpo o fellows give the questions okay guys thank you so much mamkhulu mamncane Junior Mseleku Junior Mseleku ke koponka kholo yena ke adilasi hello
Junior Mseleku Novi
abuti
kholo yena ya Novi man ke batla le nna o tonketsetsa show ya ka mono no ya the red peach mono Novi man
wena ba tlantsha
Tate ke batla o sheba mamingane le nna tate ma
o ka msadwao
mosadi o tena tuka bona ka no khale ibe ba re sa le re ntse re bua ntho ena o tloa go shebella o tlo qala o kgetha lebu mo
wena o ene ka ntle
Hala motho ga le leng kana kwena.
ke ga no o ntshwaka show bona ke ga ke tla ikopela o ntate no
ka mare tso tlo fihla mo ke tla le ke tlo le thusa ntse tlo fihla mo no butwaka
ya go tswa ka show tlo go thusa bo ntate
mara wena o se batla step wa se batla wena
ja se batla no vi man
kumai hello
Lune.
wena
Hi, Lune.
hi wena
You, but you get a level.
Ratua.
You, Muruti Mare, when I was again. Oh, one
ke mametse meskat
Muruti, when you are in Tonyana, is answering Pilaman. When I was going to put a Rasiba or more relationship in the old label. So, everywhere now, Monday, no, we know that Mutu Heda enjoy this space.
ke no nna ke le hopotsang
Wait till we are now the way I treat this relationship. You can't say no Muruti Raisa and Selinyal. Marimutuelo enjoy a most retire king.
next time we ampe kana ne ke bua eng
Hey,
no ne ke admire the way I etsang ka teng o ke a hopola ne ke bua ka hore e bile what ntho le nyona it's far better than my ex-wife wa bona the way ene yena ne ke monyetsi but na treat le na sa treat no I understand
I understand that you should have the conversational number. Mare ke le rata man ke mo rata Lebo wa itse.
I love you.
Thank you.
Hi, mommy.
Sarampo.
Hi, mommy.
Na mo e lo ruta kena o hlomphe Alexa.
Ke tlo mo go hlompha ka nnete.
And then wena o jele le bona gore o kene mo groupung ena ga monate fela wa utlwa.
Mama.
Ro la ka letsa matsono le ke bona gore le wena o ka re se tu itume se already.
Right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Hello. 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 Ramanet, hello.
Hello, guys.
Retende kai.
Nat.
Yes.
Nna nike nkang o simpho. Gale bana ba nyalwa ba le banyane ba golela lenyalong. So
Okay.
if Yene is willing to do this, move in chance.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So when I no remove a chance.
Gale bana nyalwa ba le banyane ba golela lenyalong. So move in chance if she's willing and matured enough.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Kopa dumedise Phuthego hle.
I do say put your happy.
A dumedise Phuthego a utlwa.
When I look at you, Timon. Guys, thank you so much. Can you guys look up Kuala Joanne? In Hene Utota Mulumu Kapa Utusita. Okay.
Dr. No.
Lamzange. No Mulumaka. Can I problem again? I don't know what's along in my body. Kuta, can I look at about Rikina Bali Budrai Mulumu?
Treated.
Yeah, Ari Pastor Novike Vaseline Blues. Eva Twasuk last good. Guys, thank you so much. Until we meet again, guys. Chakopa, guys. Considerant about deliverance, lo na batho ba ka rata relationship. Considerant about deliverance. If le alwana manyalo a lona the relationship in salon. If your partner uchinchile something is not right ka partner now before later the decision to the divorce, can it please guys ke kopa le consider taba ya deliverance, guys. You
And
know,
take it from me.
guys, recently bana ba re kenyeditse to panty liner by sebedisa as a spirit monitoring spirit. Ba re kenyeditse panty, it was for the second time ba re kenyeditse a panty liner ka tlung ba e beile pena lerking ironing board. Yeah, so ha ke re sa tsembore e ke ne jwang ka tlung ha ke mo rapella baloi ke ba bua ba re ba batla nna le lebore a rwana. Guys, baloi ba fight this relationship ka tselo tlotse ba batla a rwana. And ke bua net, if next time deliverance is if ne ke le motho a sa kgoneng o sense, if next khone o bona, I'm sure na le bunkabe gabe re khale ra rwa ne khona mbona le ba mo kentse sqitho ba mo kentse sqitho I don't know how many times and sqitho bana ba batla re a rwana ne le yena nini bana ba mo kenya sqitho ka private nini ibe mo firifiri. So guys, ke a le kopa please consider taba ya ya for deliverance. If you have a partner le alwana before later decision at the divorce, because most of the time but barobala this spiritual husband, spiritual wife, and those spirit diet or but by end up ba se banale ba divorce and ba separate by them. So guys, but in hela. So please guys, ke a le kopa, and especially when only experience only a challenge as spiritual husband, spiritual wife, you are in danger. Tandito ka spiti fam. Okay, this lady, ke mosadi wa mpho yena. ke mosadi wa mpho ka ne wena o nyetse le bogile motse kae
Ke nyetswe ke le 23.
20 mare motho o nyetse ka 23
Oh, bona.
guys motho o nyetse ka 23 years yo now ke re this late mosadi wa mpho ba tswa mo kenya se spider ka mo private le yena so many times ba mo lawyer ba mo kenya seqitho ba mo le monna wa hae sometimes ba etsa vagina ya hae e be kgolo gore monna ya ska ba mo fila and most ya basadi ba bangata ba experience yo ya go thola gore network ntse le shapo network o thola gore ba le ba etsa di basadi ba bangata di vagina tsa bona di sketsa ba shapo because most of the time ba le ba rata go robatsa batho le spiritual husband spiritual wife banna ba bangata ba robala le spiritual husband bona I mean spiritual wife ba ba le problem ya reaction ya bona reaction ya monna ya robala le spiritual wife I be sharp total the same way punana ya mosadi ya robala le spiritual husband I be sharp so guys please thank you so much considerant about the deliverance so liruna you can book you can come to us you can come thank you so much guys this is Mam Kulu this is Mam Nane the show was good we are happy and then I get to be hearing always keep on calling
Dinze Dibutsi the number 061 503 4617 Baba tlang go ba part ya the November family go ba Mam Nane the show is still open re ntse re amohela di call di WhatsApp nomoro eo ena le WhatsApp please text me le nketsetse molaetsa then ke tla o araba le wena ka tsatsi le leng o bodutse mo le rona
guys kuna ke number ena ya 58 e patela ka 500 but ke number excited bini plus 2758 ke kopa motho na phone o ne nga phone because a se number ya go finyana a ke tsebe ke number ya kae let me give you a last chance wena motho the last person or phone ke kopa phone wa plus 2758 kapa ke re 500 500 guys thank you so much like Richard here ore toleka mohlomong le tlo mo ka pa batlontsha ka bona no so
No, no mo ke yang.
ba ka nna ba tla fela maro
O go dula di sofeng fela. Thank you.
Guys, thank you guys.
bye bye guys